This paralyzed kitten had been abandoned his whole life. People told him he would never walk again or find a family. But despite everything, he kept fighting every single day, even when no one wanted to adopt him. Until one day, a volunteer from another country saw his story, and he was promised a chance at a better life. But when they finally saw him again, their hearts broke. Archie was thin, dirty, and suffering. So his rescuers flew across countries and paid a ransom just to bring him home. Take a look. Archie may be small, but he's learning to walk again.